Hello, I'm Ed Peachy, President and CEO of CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas, the regional workforce boards for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. The Tampa Bay region has a rich history of business innovation, creativity, and leadership. And today, as a region, we are well positioned to lead in an evolving global economy. CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas help businesses like yours expand and thrive through a competitive workforce. Our partnerships within the community allow us to be focused, driven, and dedicated to providing innovative employment and training strategies. Our team of professionals focuses exclusively on helping candidates get the training and enrichment opportunities they need to ensure they are ready to work when you are ready to hire.
It's a great time to be an employer in Florida, especially here in the Tampa Bay area. From hospitality to high tech, healthcare to construction, from manufacturing to global trade. Our growing workforce is as diverse as Florida itself. We are CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas, part of a powerful statewide network of career development professionals who work directly with businesses just like yours. At CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas, we specialize in talent. Is your business new to the area, or are you considering relocation? As many area employers already know, CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas are just one of the many benefits of starting and growing a company in the Tampa Bay area. We help employers recruit, hire, train, and keep the best and brightest employees. With CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas, you have a full-time partner who understands your business, knows what you need to thrive, has the necessary resources, and can help cultivate and deliver your greatest asset, a talented workforce to move your business forward. All of our services are provided at no cost. When businesses need to train new and existing employees, they can turn to our network for several innovative training solutions. Here's a brief overview of our services. These services include assistance with posting job vacancies, pre-screening, and referral of qualified candidates.
Our recruiting and outreach services are free of charge, provided by CareerSource Tampa Bay to include assistance with posting job vacancies, pre-screening, and referral of qualified candidates, as well as customized recruiting events and job fairs.
The On-the-Job Training Program, or OJT, provides a unique opportunity for you to train your new employee to your standards. Employers who hire new full-time workers under OJT receive reimbursement for a portion of the candidate's wages for a limited time. CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas also work with local employers to place individuals who are just entering the working world or others who are re-entering the job market. Our Employed Worker Training Program is designed to increase the current skills of your existing staff with a training grant for each company who submits a successful application.
This is a great way to invest in the professional development of your employees and provide them the opportunity to acquire relevant, industry-recognized certifications that can be instrumental in moving your business forward.
Join the team of employers who are creating a pipeline of talent with our internship program and our internship website. With the internship program, qualified employers benefit by being reimbursed a portion of the intern's wages during the internship period.
The internship program is designed to provide opportunities for individuals who are enrolled in demand occupational training programs or have completed occupational skills training and need to gain job-related skills and knowledge.
Additionally, TampaBayIntern.com connects employers and those seeking internship opportunities in both Pinellas and Hillsborough counties. Go to TampaBayIntern.com to post your paid, unpaid, full-time, or part-time internship today. Finally, we can pair your company with veterans through an internship program or full or part-time employment.
The Military Transitioning Employment Program, or MTEP, is a program targeted toward recently transitioned veterans who are currently enrolled are going to enroll in post-secondary education using their post-9/11 GI Bill benefits.
All of our programs help offset the high cost of employee recruitment and training. And when Florida businesses grow, so do jobs for Floridians. Our website and its vast online search engine helps connect employers and job seekers by making it easy and convenient to find each other in the marketplace. Together, we connect employers with qualified, skilled talent or help them to grow their own talent within their company in order to increase productivity and make their company more competitive.
CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas, we understand the importance the manufacturing industry has on the region's economy. That's why we have partnered with Tampa Bay's leading economic development organizations to produce the Manufacturing Skills Gap Analysis. The analysis identifies the current workforce needs of area manufacturers and provides proactive recommendations to ensure a steady pipeline of talent as we prepare for anticipated growth. Labor market information indicates that there are over 54,000 manufacturing jobs within the region and approximately 3,600 unemployed individuals within the industry. The average earnings within the industry are over $68,000 a year. The study digs deep into the specific employee skills and training that will help your business increase your competitiveness and productivity. The analysis found the highest 12-month vacancies were for production solderers that were predominantly in the areas of component manufacturers. CNC machining positions were ranked as having the second and fourth highest vacancies, underscoring the shift from traditional to advanced methods. Maintenance mechanics had the third highest 12-month vacancies. They are demanded across every manufacturing cluster. MIG and TIG welders were tied as having the fifth highest 12-month vacancies. Based on the information gathered, solutions include organizing manufacturing job opportunities, public relations campaign, increasing internship and apprenticeship offerings, and improving coordination between industry, education, and government.
In our industry of manufacturing, we lack experienced employees, and we've all fighting for the same employees. And I just decided, several years ago, I have to get outside the box, and I've got to have help finding other places to tap into resources, and CareerSource has helped me get into that market.
We've used the Employed Worker Training Program for multiple years, the On-the-Job Training Program we currently utilize, and we're also exploring the internship program. I can't emphasize enough, seek out the various services that CareerSource has to offer. Look at holistically how they can help, because not only can they provide assistance for training grants, but they also can help you with your new hire needs, Business and Education Summit. They also provide scholarship opportunities to local youth. They really are a soup-to-nuts industry resource.
In conclusion, we strive to meet employer demands through strategic partnerships combined with effective, streamlined programs and services. Whether your business is large or small, CareerSource Tampa Bay and CareerSource Pinellas understand the challenges business leaders face every day. We are dedicated to connecting employment, education, and economic development to help better serve the businesses in the Tampa Bay region.